How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To put up with. Noah and Abby are in the school cafeteria. There's a lot of noise. It's so noisy in here. I can't believe it. We're trying to study. Yeah, but it's the only place open right now. Do you think it's worth it to stay here? Honestly, no. I can't focus with all this chaos. Neither can I. But if we want to ace the test, we have to find a way to study. You're right, but this place is our only option. Well, then we just have to put up with it for now. Maybe later we can find somewhere quiet. Quiz time! What does to put up with mean? To tolerate? To put in a high place? To increase? To study? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. To tolerate. Phrasal verb secrets. Put up with means to tolerate or to endure something or someone unpleasant or annoying. It usually implies tolerating a challenging situation or person patiently. Put and up are very abstract here and have almost no logic, but together they form this unique verb. Synonyms for this word include tolerate or endure. Phrasal verb extras. Put off is different from put up with. Put off means to delay or postpone something. She kept putting off her dentist appointment because she was too scared to go. Put can also be combined with other prepositions like put on, to wear, or put out, to extinguish. Phrasal verbs can be complicated and abstract, so we must learn them in context. Examples. She puts up with her noisy neighbors making noise every Saturday night. I can't put up with his rude behavior any longer. They put up with the harsh weather conditions during the hike. He's been putting up with the slow internet connection at his new apartment. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. It's worth it to stay. It's beneficial to stay. Ace the test. Do extremely well on a test. Challenging. Very difficult. Unique. Very special. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.